In the previous video, we made a circle that's acting as a button that is randomly placed on the screen. There's a random value x between 50 and 450 that is the horizontal location. There's a random value y between 50 and 450, which is the vertical location. And if we click on the circle, you will get a response text, "You did it." So this, and if you click outside the circle anywhere, you will not get that same action. So it doesn't matter. Every time you play the program, the circle will be in a different random location. Right now, the "you did it" text is beneath the circle, so we're not getting the same effect. But this is the reaction based on checking to see if the mouse is between the left edge of the circle and the right edge of the circle, x plus 50, the top of the circle, x minus 50, or y minus 50, and the bottom of the circle, y plus 50, and if the mouse is pressed. Now, in order to change this so that the circle, quote unquote, disappears when it's clicked upon, we have to consider what we could do to make it disappear. The first thing that most students think of, or most people in general think of when they think about disappearing, is maybe just covering over it with white, which is fine, except then if there's any other objects on the screen, that background color will also may cover them or change the way the whole program looks. Also then, the item would still continue to be clickable even if it's covered up with a white background or a white square or something else that's hiding it. It would still be in that same location and still be clickable. So the easiest thing to do is just to, once it is clicked on, change either its x or its y value to an off-screen value that will move the shape off-screen. So it's still clickable, but we actually, technically, but we can't because we can't click off-screen. So all we need to do is change one, either that x or y location. So I know my screen is 500 pixels wide, so if I changed x from whatever random number between 50 and 450 to say 1,000, when the object is clicked on, when the cursor is between the left and right edges of the circle and the top and bottom edges of the circle and the mouse is pressed. Now if I click on it, the x value is moved to an off-screen location and it is gone.